Hey you guys, so this wig is brought to you by a company called SOWIGS, or should I say SOWIGS. And as you can see, the wig came via DHL. I got my wig in about 2 days. It did come with some lashes and this cute little drawstring satin bag, which I absolutely love. And it also came in another drawstring satin bag, which is really cute. So they made sure their packaging was on point. I love the fact that they have their logo on their tags all over the wig, so I know exactly where this wig came from and I know what kind of wig it is. I will have all of the information to the wig down below in the description box. So I know you guys are a little confused because the hair that I'm showing you is dark brown. Well, this is the way the wig came to me. This is a 360 lace front wig. As you can see, it has 3 combs in the front, which I did not use, and it does have a comb in the back along with adjustable straps. So here I'm just trying the wig on for the first time. I'm just, also letting you guys see what it looked like before I did anything to it. I did have big plans for this video, which is why it took me so long to get this video out. So I apologize to the company for waiting so long to get this video out. But I had plans for this wig. I knew exactly what I wanted to do to it and what color. So this is the wig, like I said, straight out of the package. I haven't cut it. I haven't done anything to it as yet. So here in the next clip, I'm just showing you guys exactly what I did to it. Don't pay the wig that I have on in this video, in this clip, no mind. I'm also doing a review on that wig, but yeah, that's neither here or there. So this is the wig after I bleached it. Now this is the first time I bleached this wig. I did go ahead and bleach it twice. I didn't show you guys the process on camera because there's so many videos about how to bleach hair. I did use the BW2 powder and also 40 volume developer. So the way I achieved this color right here, you guys, I'm just going to tell you what I used. I used the Creative Image Adore in Cajun Spice, which is the number 56. And I also used Ginger, which is the number 30. So if you guys are wondering how I achieved this color, it's the same exact method I used when I was coloring the blue hair. So I'll try to leave a link to that video down below and you can see exactly how I did it. So the reason why I bleached the hair twice is because it wasn't really lifting, as bright as I needed it to be in order for this color right here to take. But as you can see, it worked. This hair took the bleach very, very well. As you can see, it did not change the texture of the hair at all. I did get some shedding, but I think that's normal for, kinky curly hair. And yeah, so as you can see, I had the curls defined. They were so defined. I never combed them out until you guys are seeing it now on camera. So let me know down below what you think about the color. I love the color. And when you first get this wig, you're going to be like, wow, this hair is not that much hair. Oh, they should have put more hair on it, because I was thinking the same thing until right now. As you guys can see, it actually is a lot of hair, especially when you comb it out. So this is the color that I got. Again, I absolutely love it. I'm just going to go in now and curl it with my curling wand, because I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do with this wig. I didn't know if I wanted to leave it out or what, but anyway, I'll go ahead and add my heat protecting oils just, to protect this hair, because it's very pretty. As you guys can see, there's so much that you could do with this hair. Maybe I'll come back with an update and just show you guys how it looks straight, because my daughter was like, wow, that hair would look fire if it was straight. And I'm like, yeah, you're right. So one of these days I'm going to go ahead and just straighten it, and hopefully I can do it on camera pretty soon so you guys can see that. Now, I must say that the hair took heat very well too. Like this is some strong hair, y'all. Like I bleached it twice, colored it. Of course I conditioned it and everything, but I was very shocked when I went in with this curling wand at how nice it curled. You see that curl? I mean, that's not the curl that I was going for. As you can see, the second one is the curl that I was going for. But yeah, it took heat very well. I think I had my curling wand on, I believe, 430. So as you can see, it's really, really pretty, and the curls last forever. I went ahead off camera and just finished that side of my hair. So I just wanted you guys to see the difference. And look at the texture. Like, it's just so pretty. I absolutely love this wig. So just to define that parting space, I did go in with my powder foundation just to make it look more realistic. And yeah, I didn't cut the baby hairs. I really didn't do anything special to this wig other than, you know, bleach it and color it. And then I just went in with my curling wand. But I did not adhere this wig to my head. I did use a comb that's in the back. And the wig is actually secure. So I used the adjustable straps as well. But you guys, I just need y'all to focus on this beautiful color. I knew exactly what I wanted the wig to look like. And if you guys want to see more videos of me, you know, curling hair, or not really curling hair, coloring hair, let me know down below in the comment section and I'll get those videos out to you. I am loving this watercolor method. Yes, you guys, I use the watercolor method to achieve this look. So the hair was already dark, so I wasn't too concerned with dark roots. I didn't go in and bleach the roots, you know, too much. But yeah, if you guys are interested in videos like that, let me know down below. And also let me know what you think about this color, this wig. Yeah, let me know, and I will talk to you all later. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Bye. Thanks for watching.